In today's video, I'll show you how to create a flow in Klaviyo, making your email marketing more automated and effective. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and heading to the Flows section on the left-hand menu. This is where you can automate messages to engage your customers without lifting a finger. Click View All Ideas to browse templates. These are pre-built flows you can customize to suit your brand. For this tutorial, we'll use a customer thank you template. Click it and then hit Use Template to set it up. Next, click Manage Flow to personalize your emails. Here, you can edit the content, timing, and triggers for each message. Add personalized touches like the customer's name or tailored messages to make your communication more engaging. Once you've fine-tuned everything, click Review and Turn On to make your flow live. Don't forget to save so all your changes are applied. And that's it! You've successfully created a flow in Klaviyo, ready to nurture your customers and boost engagement automatically. Thanks for watching and happy marketing!